Hi, welcome to the battery shop. The 12-volt battery on this 2019 Volkswagen ATLAS is right here under the hood. It's not very hard to get to, and we're going to be replacing it today with an AGM or an absorbent glass mat battery in order to give the start-stop system way better performance, and the battery is going to last a lot longer too. Let's get started. We are using a memory saver while we're replacing the battery in order to keep all of the vehicle's computers and entertainment systems memories alive. The first step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable, and you're going to need a 10mm wrench for that. And then remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal. Next, loosen the latches on either side of this plastic cover and remove it from the top of the battery. Next, remove this cable fastener, and you'll need a 13mm wrench for that. And then move the cable out of the way. Now we can remove the cover from the positive battery terminal, and using our 10mm wrench, loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable. The next step is to unlatch the hold-down clips. Then remove the fastener holding the positive battery cable to the plate, and you'll need a 10mm wrench for this. And then remove the plate out of the way. And remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. Now we can remove the battery's hold-down bracket, and you'll need a 13mm wrench for that. Now we can remove the old battery from the vehicle. And install the new AGM battery. Now we can reinstall the battery hold-down bracket. And retighten the fastener. The next step is to reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these terminals on, as this can cause internal battery damage. And retighten the fastener. Now we can reinstall the plate. And tighten the fastener. Then reinstall the other cable. And tighten the fastener. and then secure the plate and the positive battery terminal cover. Then reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal. And retighten the fastener. Finally, we can reinstall the plastic cover, remove the memory saver, and we're done.